Hi there, meteorologist Robert Spetta here with you today. This is being recorded live from Tokyo, Japan, here on the 9th of May 2014. And I'm starting off, what you can see on the screen here is actually the radar imagery out of Hong Kong, because you have just been getting whacked today with some heavy rainfall. This has just been persisting. We'll go ahead and animate this, but also I want to show you how much precipitation has occurred in the past 24 hours. Some areas up to about 131 millimeters, 180 millimeters there in Guangdong province, southern China. And really, this has just been coming down. It is a result of that rainy season stationary front, which has just been lingering across this entire region the last several days. What we're seeing today is a new low pressure area really starting to develop. You can see that low pressure center right here just towards the west of Hong Kong. Let's zoom in on this, because what I want to really display here to you is those strong southerly winds coming in out of the South China Sea. We have cooler air off towards the north. You get that coming together and see those areas in the darker purples right there. That is indicating like about up to 50 to 100 millimeters per hour possibly occurring just due to the instability in the atmosphere and this vast moisture source. Now, I would love to say the rain is going to be over sometime soon, but it really looks like it's going to be sticking around. Maybe a little break here on Saturday as far as the intensity, but that persistent southerly winds does continue to linger, and the showers are going to last going through the entire weekend. Now, I do think by the weekend it won't be as intense. And what I mean by intense, yes, Hong Kong, I mean, you had black rainstorm warnings out here. That's the highest type of level for rainstorm warnings that HKO does put out. You still have those showers there in the forecast. You still have thunderstorm advisories in place, but I think by Saturday and Sunday it should taper off. Now, if we pull back the picture, this is one reason why. The upper level support with this storm system, and I'll go ahead and pull up the upper level winds here really quick for you, and that means the jet stream that is dipping down right here, that's eventually going to start to steer its way off there towards the northeast, supporting another low which is developing farther off here towards the north. So that's where the jet max is really going to start to pull. It's still down here towards the south, so you still have those rain showers in place, but this new low, and let's actually look at the surface winds, is really going to start to push its way off there towards the east. And then we're going to start to see it push across the Yellow Sea here into Korea, bringing widespread rain showers on Sunday. If you're in Seoul, down through South Korea, this is going to be a nasty day. We're talking about tropical storm strength equivalent winds by Friday night, or excuse me, by Saturday night, much of eastern China as well, Sunday night Korea, and then basically Sunday night into Monday morning, most of Japan, even some thunderstorm activity possible down here towards the south into Naha. Monday is going to be a pretty foul day if you are out across much of Japan, even into Tuesday as well for Tokyo. So, yeah, the storm system really still developing. We're going to continue to watch it through the coming days. Take a look at that. That's actually snowfall in some of the higher elevations the ECMWF model's picking up. I'm going to have to look into, oh, well, let's get rid of the cloud cover. All right, there's your snow. It's very, oh, I see. That was a little bit misleading. It was just a clear break. Sometimes that shows up like that. All right, so yeah, just clear weather there. I was thinking, wow, mountain snow. Anyways, that's what happens when I do this live and I kind of zoom ahead to places where I haven't looked at just yet. Taking a look at the forecast, though, through the weekend for the most part. It's going to be pretty decent across Korea and Japan this coming weekend, Saturday through Sunday. Temperatures will be warming up out here. And actually, take a look at the forecast on the front page of WesternPacificWeather.com. You can see here in Yokohama, 23 for the high, 21 on Sunday. Those showers there on Monday into Tuesday. Down towards the south to the southern Japanese islands into Naha. The rainy season front is officially a rainy season. It started last Monday. 23 for your high on your Saturday. Sunday it'll clear up a little bit, but Monday and the Tuesday, that next low I was talking about, yeah, this one right over here towards the west, that is going to cruise right overhead if you are out there. Now, I do want to switch things up really quick. Southern portions of the Philippines. The ITCZ, just a weak tropical wave, brought a lot of instability into the atmosphere out here. You're still going to be looking at showers, actually, in Mindanao throughout the weekend. Good news is that you need it. Bad news, it is mostly spotty to scattered. Also, some pretty nasty weather actually occurred out here in Negros, western portions of Visayas, And I'll go ahead and pull this up. Look at that. Hail was reported. Yeah, it lasted about 15 minutes. We expected some pretty rough weather, and it does look like this storm followed through on that. So, yeah, that's going to be one of the factors through the weekend. I think the worst of it's over, but that instability in the atmosphere is continuing to linger. So, in short, high pressure throughout the weekend. For those in Japan and Korea. Southeastern China, unfortunately, rain showers continuing to kick up here. If you're in Beijing as well, some showers there for you. That will eventually change over to Japan by Monday and the Tuesday. Southern portions of the Philippines, wet weather, but Manila and much of Luzon, partly cloudy skies, possibility of afternoon thunderstorms. That's really the case for most of the tropics for that matter. Stay safe out there, everybody, and thanks for watching. Bye.